I decided to come to culinary arts because it's always been a passion in my life. I've always loved cooking since I was a child, and my mother has always inspired me to cook.
The students are doing truly hands-on learning, and that's really what Auburn is all about. So we really get an opportunity to get the students in here to really hone their skills.
For restaurant, as a junior, we get to prep everything, and as a senior, we get to actually make everything come to life. We actually come from working behind the line to actually serving customers and having them come into our restaurant, being able to learn not only back of house and front of house, being able to serve them, being able to take orders, being able to experience everything.
Another bonus about this program that really makes it unique is that it's really creative for the students. They get to have creative ownership in what recipes they're creating, what's going to be on our menu, and that really allows them to put their heart and soul into the recipes.
My plans for after high school was to keep working, to continue growing my expertise in the culinary arts. And it is, currently. I'm working in multiple different restaurants, being able to experience front and back of house. Joining the culinary arts program doesn't necessarily mean you have to stay in the culinary arts field. There are multiple different things that this field can go into, like hospitality, as well as hotel managing, as well as you need to eat. Honestly, it's a life skill that everyone should have.